We're going through a car wash right now, and I'm quite terrified, just because it's really close, and yeah. Take a look. Say hello, Dad.
Hello, Dad.
You see yourself?
See myself? Damn, what a handsome dude. Look at your mirror. You're gonna break your mirror.
Ooh.
Roll it down, pull it in.
Not yet. Are you dumb?
Yeah.
How come your mirror's the same way?
Not as bad as yours. Pull it in.
I got sprayed. You are retarded. And this all got on camera too. This is scary, son. Now my screen's all wet. That was terrifying. I hope I never have to do that again. Whew. Whew. That's scary. That is scary. What's going on? I pulled that mirror in just for it to be pushed back out. Yeah, I got wet just for you, Dad. Thanks. I'm all soaking wet now. It's very bad. Very, very bad. Well, this is a unique experience. Don't know what to say. At least the car is getting cleaned. Whole right side of my face is itchy now. That is some scary stuff, man. This is horrific.